Hiya, welcome to Once Upon a Word, I'm Mark. Today I want to talk about the difference between about and on. So about means on the subject of or connected with. And as a preposition it's used before a noun. So this is a book about the universe means this is a book on the subject of the universe. However, learners can get confused because on also means the same thing in this kind of sentence. So this is a book on the universe also means that this is a book on the subject of the universe. So what is the difference? Well, the difference is that about is more general and is used for more common or ordinary purposes. So if you hear this is a book about the universe, then you may think that this book is like for a general readership. It's not necessarily got lots of advanced information about the universe, but maybe it's for like people who are interested at a more normal everyday level, like beginner's level or so on. But this is a book on the universe indicates that this book is written for like experts. On here is a bit more formal, and maybe the information in this book is a bit more serious and advanced. Okay, so about is a little bit less formal and a bit more general, and on is a little bit more formal and a little bit more specific, a little bit more advanced perhaps. Okay, thanks for listening, and I'll see you again next time. Cheers.